Hello there, I am BP, and I will walk you through the process of creating a demo using DemoFlow. Welcome to DemoDazzle. DemoDazzle is an innovative AI product designed to automate the demonstration and walkthrough process for various products and services. By utilizing digital humans or avatars, it provides real-time engagement, making your demos more interactive and effective. Please click on Get Started to register on DemoDazzle. Choose the plan that you desire to go ahead with. Please fill up the sign-up form. Agree to the terms of services by selecting the checkbox. After filling up the form, click on Create Account. You would receive the activation link. Go ahead, activate, and log into the application. If you have any questions, you can also ask the chatbot. As told earlier, you can ask for any help on the live chat. Enter your email and password and log into the application. Click on the Demo Flows menu